YouTube. It's the world's largest video platform. Millions of people watch videos every day. But how do you get your videos seen? The answer lies in understanding the YouTube algorithm. This algorithm is a set of rules. It decides which videos to show to whom. By understanding how it works, you can optimize your content. This will help more people find your videos. Let's start with the basics: titles, descriptions, and tags. These three elements are crucial for your video success on YouTube. Your video title is the first thing viewers see. It's your first impression. It needs to be catchy and relevant to your content. A good title can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Use keywords that people might search for. This helps your video appear in search results. Your video description provides more context. It's a chance to elaborate on your title. Use this space to tell viewers what your video is about. Include relevant keywords to improve searchability. Finally, tags help YouTube understand your video's content. They play a role in how your video is categorized. Use a mix of broad and specific tags. This strategy helps reach a wider audience while targeting niche viewers. For example, if you're making a video about baking chocolate chip cookies, your title could be "The Best Chocolate Chip Cookie Recipe Ever." This grabs attention. Your description could include ingredients, steps, and tips. This makes it easier for viewers to follow along. Use tags like chocolate chip cookies, baking, recipe, easy desserts. These tags help YouTube recommend your video to the right audience. YouTube loves engagement. It's the lifeblood of the platform. Likes, comments, and shares tell the algorithm that people enjoy your content. They signal that your video is worth watching. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. A simple call to action can make a big difference. Respond to comments and engage with your audience. Building a community fosters loyalty and repeat viewers. The more engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to be recommended to others. This creates a snowball effect. Imagine two videos about dog training. Both are informative and well-made. One has a few hundred views and a handful of comments. It's struggling to gain traction. The other has thousands of views, hundreds of likes, and tons of comments. It's clearly popular. Which one do you think YouTube will show to more people? The answer is obvious. The one with more engagement, of course. Engagement is key to visibility and growth on YouTube. Watch time, the holy grail of YouTube. Watch time is crucial for success. It's the amount of time viewers spend watching your videos. The longer people watch, the better your video performs in the algorithm. This means more visibility and reach. Create engaging content that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Aim for longer videos if possible, but ensure they are packed with value. Use storytelling techniques to keep people interested and invested in your content. Think of it this way. You watch a 5-minute video about gardening and leave after 30 seconds. You then watch a 10-minute video and watch the whole thing without skipping. YouTube will think you prefer longer videos about gardening and similar topics. It will show you more of them, enhancing your viewing experience. Consistency and quality. The pillars of success. Consistency is key for YouTube success. Upload videos regularly. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Choose a schedule that works for you and stick to it. This keeps your audience engaged and signals to YouTube that you're an active creator. Alongside consistency, focus on quality. Create high-quality videos that are well-edited, well-lit, and have good audio. Your content should be valuable and informative. Conclusion: mastering YouTube's algorithm for growth. Cracking the YouTube algorithm isn't about tricks. It's about understanding what makes great content. Focus on creating high-quality videos that people want to watch. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags. Encourage engagement. Be consistent. By following these tips, you can work with the algorithm to grow your channel and reach a wider audience.